Philippines has a great history, updated na ang geography. Welcome lahat ng mga ICC. Ang Luzon becomes European country. Metro Manila, as you can see, they started eating bread and spaghetti. Southern European country, they like in the morning bread with hot coffee. From the North Mediterranean Sea, eating balot in London, UK. Suman and puto in Rome, Italy. Eiffel Tower in the cold Baguio City. Acropolis in Nueva Vizcaya. Renaissance Arts in Amsterdam, Pampanga. Barangay France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands, Austria, Belgium, Turkey. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, disturbing winter season. Albay covered with ice, and Santa Claus cannot go there alone. And we add Rhode Island's more, in the kingdom where dragons roar. Then down to Visayan shore, famous of whiskey, rum, tuba, and more. Ay, yeah. Visayas is the lost city. Ay, yeah. Dragon balls are hidden diri. Ay, yeah. Southern Luzon dito mamalingki. Superheroes are there, you can see, living with the people in harmony. Now let's go to the land of promise, Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Wakanda is the central province, where giraffe is useful as Carabao. You hear them singing the Waka Waka, eating durians in southern Nigeria. They are active in social media, even in the mountains may piso Wi-Fi na. Ay, Luzon, European city. Ay, Visayas is the lost city. Ay, ICC is invited to see. According to the new geography, Mindanao is Sub-Saharan country.